So, some good manifestation practices are getting into a daily ritual and spending time every day being grateful for what it is that you have and being grateful for what it is that you desire. So you can do that by, having a affirmation where you affirm what it is that you want in your life and then you are grateful for it. And so having a morning practice, having a good morning ritual where you spend time affirming what it is that you desire and you write down 10 things that you're grateful for in the morning. You start small. A good thing to do when it comes to manifestation for beginners is vision boards. We can't forget the power of the vision board. It is such a simple and fun exercise, but it's amazing what can happen. I've put things on vision boards and have been absolutely blown away when they come full circle. It's like, I can't believe that I put that. you dig out your vision board from a couple years prior and you're like, oh my gosh, this happened. It's absolutely incredible. And so vision boards is like a really good beginner practice to get you started in the right way. But I think having the gratitude practice and being grateful and practicing affirmations is really positive when it comes to good manifestation practices for beginners. And one last thing is double binding messages. And this is really important, is when you want to manifest something, you have to make sure that you're not thinking the opposite at the same time. You may want to manifest a lot of money, but are scared of paying taxes, or you may want to travel the world, but then you also want to have a family and have like a good upbringing for your children, which would really dictate traveling around the world and leaving them behind. There's double binding messages that you have that can prevent you from achieving the goals that you want. So you want to clear that all out. And then also look at your beliefs around these double binding messages. Is that a valid belief? Do I have limiting beliefs that prevent me from getting what it is that I want? But the key is knowing what you want. And that's the hardest question to answer in the world, is what do you want? And so you got to know what you want.